Morning guys, how you doing? Carlos again over here. Right now we got a few things, small details, little tiny things that I gotta, touch up, like steering wheel, fuel lines, fuel filter, throttle cable, minor things, little small details that I gotta finish up, and that's what's taking long on my videos to do. I'm just gonna give you quick clips of them, and then you're gonna go from there. Hopefully the next video after this one is gonna be engine startup. I just want to hear the engine running just like everybody else does. I just want to see things. I want to hear it too, so hey. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so let's go. Let's see the video. Okay, so this is the steering wheel I had. It was like 20 bucks eBay. I don't like it. Go. The old pulley is out. The new one's about to go in. There we go. Alright. Tightening up the other one. as always, please like, share, subscribe. It motivates me to keep making more videos. So thank you guys. Appreciate it.